All right, and here we go. This is our ResaleOS dashboard. I just created a brand new account and we're gonna go over the layout real quick. This is our home tab. This is where we come to see how things are going today and in this period with our business. In the products tab, it's where we will manage our inventory. We can import our products over here, or we can start creating new one. We can filter, search, manage our inventory over here. We also have a photo studio. This is where we come and dump all our pictures from our new products that came in today, for example, and we can organize the pictures into folders and assign them to products and create products out of the pictures. We also have AI that's gonna help us organize the pictures automatically. Gift cards is where we create and manage gift cards that we issued in the past, and we see whether they've been used, whom they've been assigned to, and that kind of stuff. And the sales tab is where we see and manage our orders. These are going to be orders that we make on any sales channel. So all of our orders are going to show up here, whether we made them from our ResaleOS storefront, from our point of sale, from our external e-commerce like a Shopify or a WooCommerce, or from our connected marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, all that kind of stuff. All of our sales are gonna live in here. Our system is gonna import them no matter where they happened. The accounts tab is where we manage accounts in general. So what is an account? An account can be a consignor. An account can be a vendor, if I'm a vendor mall, a supplier, if I buy merchandise outright. They can be a customer if I collect customer details like emails and phone numbers, okay? We're gonna go over accounts in the dedicated module. Payouts is something that only consignment businesses are going to use. All right, they're mostly consignment businesses. Some users might use the payouts tab for vendors and suppliers as well. But in general, this is where you run payouts. So if any of your accounts have a cash balance that you want to pay out, this is where you would come to manage your payouts. Then reports, it's self-explanatory. Here you see reports. There is a ton of types of reports. You can customize them to look how you want them to look. You can download them in a spreadsheet like an Excel or a PDF. You have reports for your sales, okay? For your accounts, which we just covered. For your items, so your inventory. For your storefront, this is your ResaleOS storefront. We're gonna go over this in a second. And then for your accounting, so more of a tax-related accounting purposes, okay? And then moving on to the next part is your sales channels. This is gonna be all the places where you sell your products. So your point of sale, if you sell your products in person, your ResaleOS storefront, which is your own online storefront that ResaleOS gives you. We're gonna cover that in its dedicated submodule. And you're gonna see all your other sales channels that you connect to ResaleOS over here once you connect them. So that could be your eBay, your Etsy, your Mercari, your Shopify. We support a ton of sales channels. You can view them all at resaleos.co/crosslisting. Alrighty, 29 plus platforms and counting. We're adding new ones every week. All right, now down to the bottom, let's move on to our settings. Actually, let me split up this module and let's see settings in the next submodule. All right, that's it for now.